In the spring of 1994, the roads went quiet before the world understood why. In 100 days, at least 800,000 people were killed. We begin with absence, not spectacle. People who had lived meters apart were separated by a violence that entered homes, churches, and streets. 30 years later, Kigali wakes to clean roads, ordered traffic, and a skyline rising among green hills. Rwanda is often described through its safety, cleanliness, and speed of modernization. But its deeper achievement is more difficult to photograph, people choosing to live beside one another again. How does a nation come back from the unthinkable? Rwanda is called the land of 1,000 hills, though the phrase barely captures the folds of this landscape. Terraces follow the slopes, tea fields hold the rain, roads curl through valleys where daily life continues. Rwanda is smaller than Belgium. Its projected 2026 population is about 14.4 million. For many visitors, the first surprise is not the skyline, it is the order of the street. The cleanliness is maintained by policy, labor, and a public expectation that shared space matters. Rwanda restricted plastic carrier bags years before many richer countries, making environmental rules visible at the border. On the last Saturday morning of many months, ordinary rhythms slow and communities assemble. Umuganda means coming together in common purpose, sweeping, clearing, planting, and repairing. Participation cuts across age and occupation, from farmers and students to professionals and officials. It is civic discipline, social pressure, and community ritual at once.